If you're a young professional and you feel like your entire life revolves around work and whatever energy is left just disappears, this video is for you. Most people don't hate their jobs. They just hate the feeling that the work has quietly taken up over their entire life. In this video, I want to show you a simple framework that can help you build your life outside work. The one where you do your job relatively well, but you also have time, energy, and space for yourself. Let's first find the answer to why this problem exists in the first place. The problem today isn't just long working hours. It's just that our work follows us everywhere mentally. For example, checking messages after work, thinking about office-related tasks while eating or sleeping. When the work consumes your mental space, your personal life doesn't disappear suddenly. Rather, it fades slowly. And when there is no intention behind your personal life, it defaults to scrolling, overthinking, and mindless activities, aka the autopilot mode. The life outside work doesn't happen by accident. It has to be designed. Over time, I've realized in order to build life outside of work, you just need three simple things. And no, it's not willpower or motivation. It needs intention, balance, and structure. The first step is intention. Most people don't actually know what they would want their life outside of work to feel like. Without intention, your personal life gets filled with whatever is the easiest, not what's actually meaningful to you. Even answering to this one simple question like how do I want to feel this week can change how you spend your evenings. You can ask yourself reflective questions in order to set up your intentions. Intention is not about doing more. It's about deciding what matters to you before your energy runs out. The second part is balance. And no, balance does not mean spending equal time. It's much more about maintaining your identity outside of work. You need minimum commitments that reminds you you're more than your job. And that's exactly what hobbies are. Hobbies are not optional extras. Rather, they are the part of your identity. Think of hobbies like the small activities that you do in order to recharge yourself so that you can go and do your work properly. The third part is structure. If something doesn't have a place in your weekly calendar, it won't happen at all. Structure doesn't mean rigidity. It just means that when your life gets attention, because vague intentions usually fail. But having a structure removes that decision fatigue. For example, you have an intention of playing guitar. Balance is recognizing that you have playing guitar as your hobby. And structure is where you commit to that hobby. Like Tuesdays evening are for guitar sessions. So to summarize, intention is actually what matters. Something that you want to include as a part of your identity, like fitness, creativity, or social connections. Balance is maintaining that identity. And this is generally achieved when you have a goal. And that's when the hobbies come into the play to bring back the balance, like exercising twice a week, one creative session in a week, or connecting with 3 friends throughout the week. And finally, structure is where it all fits in. You decide exactly when and where are you going to do your hobbies. Like exercising is on the weekends, Friday evening is for a creative session, and Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays could be your social touch points. If you want a simple template to build a life outside of the work, I've made a free system that puts everything into one place. It is completely free and you can explore at your own pace. You can access it by clicking the link in the description. And remember, you do not need to use everything at once, just start small. Now, in case you want to learn how to build habits, you can check out this video that's on how to build the habits using the 2-day rule. And I'll see you guys real soon.